Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Circle to search an S24 Ultra full guide. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the camera app, then switch to single take or photo mode if needed. Press and hold the shutter, draw a circle around the area of interest, and release to run the search. Use pinch gestures to resize and drag to reposition the circle for more accurate results, then tap Results to explore further. Open Settings to confirm Circle search is enabled, then practice on simple objects like books or logos to learn response patterns. When results appear, swipe up for more details or tap to copy text. Long press text to translate or search. Combine voice search or Bixby with the Circle tool for hands-free queries. Remember that digital zoom lowers accuracy, so physically move closer when possible to improve detection and speed. Circle search shines with receipts, menus, and labels where you need quick numbers or translations. Draw tightly around the text to extract digits and currency. For products, circle logos or barcodes to find shopping links and price comparisons instantly. In gallery mode, open an image and draw a circle to rerun recognition or translate text, making it a powerful tool for travel, shopping, and research on the go without leaving the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.